Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back with sneaky peek day 2 of My Creative Time's 145th edition release, and this is her Halloween release. Very cute release. I found it so easy to work with. Let's go ahead and get started. We are showcasing a few items today, as well as the paper and the enamel dots every day. And then we also have the triangle treat box die today. This will come with 6 pieces and it turns out really cute and it fits just perfect in your die cutting machine. And then we have the ghost dies, and there's 9 pieces in here, and this is the piece that will go behind the eyes, or you can lay them back in if you prefer. But really cute. She's also showcasing another embossing folder. I found this one so cute. Boo Background 2024. And as you see, she has her name down there. And then there goes the embossing folder there. Really cute. I love this. And then, like I said, we'll be showcasing the spooky season sentiments every day, as well as the sentiment label die plate every day. I also use the Fairy Halloween add-ons, and I'm using that witch hat along with its layering piece. I'm using, I want to say this bow with the add-on there, and I think that's it from that set. I'm also using the Fun Bubbles, and really like this set, so I was glad that I was able to pick that up and use that with the sentiments as well. Sorry about these being upside down, but I am using the torn paper frame die layers as well as the torn paper frame dies. And then this one recently added to my stash, the rectangle frame die layers. And so I used that on quite a few cards this week. Okay, and here are these cute little adorable cards. The ghost is just too cute. All right, so let's start out with this one. I did use my oxide inks to make that embossing folder pop back there so you can see it a little bit better. And then there goes my ghost. I put a little bow on top of there. And then I thought it was kind of creative. I used one of these eyes, I want to say out of the medium ghost die. And I just used the eye right there, which almost looks like it's an eye with that little enamel dot on top of there. And both sets of enamel dots I am using today. If you weren't here yesterday, let me show them to you. There they go. So one is the Bright Halloween and the other one is Traditional Halloween. And then all of the papers I showed yesterday. So if you'd like to see that in more detail, just go back a day. And then this is one of the papers that came with that. I thought that was perfect behind the ghost there, and I also used it on her bow, and it says Happy Haunting, and then boo, there goes the inside using that sentiment die as well as the torn paper edge frame edges, and then the little ghost there. Thought it was really cute. And then this one is adorable. And so, of course, I just had to add an enamel dot because it's a ghost. It's gotta be floating in the air, you know that. Anyway, so we have the boo there, which is on the fun bubble dies, and then I also used the sentiment dies there along with that stamp set. Really cute set. She has the layers to everything, so you don't even have to worry about that. And then the back side, and I just kind of slanted that one there on the back side, but the front one is the right way. But love how that little action wobble for the ghost looks on there, just too cute. And then of course the little hat from the Halloween add-ons, the fairy add-ons. So if you'd like to purchase any of these products this week, you can use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase or 10% on any other day. You can also use any of the designers' discount codes as well. All right, so all the links will be down below. Make sure you check those out. Go over, visit Emma and all the rest of the designers. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.